Okay, so I'm making this recording to teach you guys how to make notching templates. These are going to be paper-based templates. So you're going to start off with the chassis file here. I want you guys to come here and look for 3D tooth paths. There's going to be a 3D sketch too that you're going to show. This is going to give you the lines that you need to make your reference plane later on in this tutorial. So you're going to come here to mesh modeling and hit delete keep body. So for my example, I'm going to keep this body right here. I have it selected as keep bodies and click the check. Now we're going to need to sketch an angle here on the end of the pipe. So you come to sketch, surfaces, hit plane, and then select the axis and a point. Now this is going to fully define a plane. The plane might look large, but you can shrink it when you check it out. So you come here, shrink it if you don't want so much clutter. So you come here, shrink it, and then this plane is now perpendicular with the tube. So now we're going to sketch on this plane. You can do it from here or you can do it from the other side. I'm going to show you from the other side just because this is where my coordinate system is sitting. So you can hit S to open up this menu, hit line, then make one line coming from the the center point of the circle. One line, two lines, three lines. You're going to dimension it out to be a very small angle, so we'll do 0.05 of a degree. Check that out, and now we're going to come here to features and extrude cut. Now do through all both because this is your only pipe, so if there's any extra or if your plane is sitting straight here in the middle, you can still cut the whole pipe down. So you hit check there, and now it's made a very small invisible line. So now we're going to come to sheet metal. If sheet metal isn't showing on your SolidWorks, right click, hit tabs, and this will be right here. So sheet metal, if I take it off, it disappears. If I turn it on, it's back in my tabs. Hit sheet metal and then insert bend. Make sure your auto relief K factor is 1 here and select this parameter. So it's going to be the parameter on the bottom here. Once that edge is selected, you can check it and it will now create it as thinking it's going to be flattened as a bend. So now you come back to sheet metal and you hit flatten. Now this will flatten the whole feature. Now this would be considered a notching template. Check it out, and now I like to show my flatten. I would want to hit here. And now with this body here, you can sketch. So now I'm going to come and sketch identity here to here from this. It doesn't need to be exact because you're gonna have to make two of them. So what I like to do is from the lowest point of this template here, I grab a point and this line here. Now I like to put it at 1 inch as it gives you enough space to do whatever you need to do. And then this point here, we can, whatever we need to cut out all this anyways, so I can put it at 30 to remove all that material. So now I come here, just a simple extrude cut now. So through all is fine. You can do just a simple through all. Doesn't matter. So you're gonna cut it through, and now you have this piece as a separate notching template. Now we're gonna come, hit File, and make drawing from part. So you're gonna hit